It is day 22. I had a pretty good night's sleep yesterday night. The campground much quieter than yesterday. So I've been doing some thinking and which way I'm going to take to go south to the Trans-America Trail to start it again. And this is what I think I'm going to do.
So I'm here today out on the beach and I need to go right here. So I was going to follow the coast a little longer here, but I'm not going to do that. Yeah, see enough of the ocean, so I'm going to go back inland, east, south, east. I'm going to go all the way up to Lake Tahoe here. Hopefully I can get there today, and after that I will go down this route here to reach the beginning of to go back on the Trans-America.
Hello everyone. So I'm done for today. I didn't made it to Lake Tahoe, but I found a pretty nice campground by a lake. Beautiful. So I think I'm gonna go for like a boat ride. I don't know who it belongs to, but I'm sure they wouldn't mind, right? So yep, that's it for today. I drove on the Highway 38 today from the coast. It was really nice in the mountain. A motorcycle's dream to ride on these roads. So that was pretty nice. So that's it for today, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Good night.